Wars and peace with Pakistan. Conflict with Pakistan started with the Kashmir dispute. Soon, it became close to US and China and became a critical factor for India while dealing with these countries. Still, the relations continued and Indus Water Treaty was signed. The treaty still stood the test of time. A serious war broke out between the two countries in 1965. Indian military advances made heavy losses to Pakistan. The war ended with Tashkent Agreement in 1966. Bangladesh War 1971. The general elections of 1970 in Pakistan led to Zulfikar Ali Bhutto winning in West Pakistan and Sheikh Mujibur Rahman of Awami League in East Pakistan. The vote by Bengali people was a protest against Pakistan. The Awami League demanded for a federal state which didn't go well with Pakistan. The Pakistani army unleashed terror in Bangladesh. People demanded liberation of Bangladesh. India bore the brunt of huge refugee inflow. India extended its support to Bangladesh. Pakistan accused India of conspiracy. Pakistan gained support of US and China. To counter this, India signed Treaty of Peace for a period of 20 years with Soviet Union. Thus, India gained Soviet support. A full-scale war between both the countries broke out in 1971. Within 10 days, the war came to an end with India surrounding Dhaka. India declared a unilateral ceasefire and Bangladesh became a free country. Peace returned with India and Pakistan signing Shimla Agreement in 1972. Indian politics too gained from it. The then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's popularity rose and Congress won many assembly elections after the war.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download